Hi, this is Art with OCRV Center in Yorba Linda. Hey, you're in this is our small heated downdraft spray booth. This is a brand new Rivian truck. You can see that there's a small repair going on here. Little lot damage, had a small little crease back here, broke the tail light, scuffed the bumper. So they're about ready to start spraying here. We've already color matched it. You can see how it's prepped, just beautiful prep job. All the moldings and everything's been removed. Everything's prepped back. All the clear coat will go underneath and into all the jams. So it will be an undetectable repair once we're done here. Sand, polish it, get the finish just right. So we're a factory certified Rivian repair facility here at OCRV. If you've got any Rivian repair needs, we're happy to help. You can see us at OCRVcenter.com. You can reach us at 714-630-3766. We're happy to help you with all your Rivian repairs. We're also collision repair on motorhomes, all your housework and service work. Please come see us at OCRV Center.